Hello my dear kids, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. This is your English teacher Himani Joshi from DPS Halwani Lamachor, and in our today's video we are going to start unit number 9. Okay, in this unit we have one poem and one story. So first we are going to start the poem. So kids, before disclosing the title of this poem, let me ask you few questions. So kids, tell me, have you ever heard your parents saying no when you ask them certain things? Yes, you might have heard them saying no when you ask them these certain things, like when you ask them to hold the electrical appliances, to hold the sharp appliances, to go to the market alone, and many more things. Have you ever thought why they say no? Most of the times children feel very sad when they hear no. Okay, they feel sad and they feel that why our parents now and then say no to us when we ask them to do certain things. When we ask them, when we take permission from them to do the certain things, and they don't even give us chance. Do you know kids why? Yes, because your parents and all other grown-up people at your home care for you. They want your safety. They know that those things are very dangerous. Okay, why do they say no when you ask them to go to the market alone? Yes, because they know that you are too little. You don't know how to cross the road. They even don't allow you to hold the electrical appliances because you might get hurt while using those electrical appliances and sharp appliances. So kids, you should always listen to your parents. They always want your safety. Okay, when once you will all be grown-ups, adults, you can also do those things. Okay, so wait for the right time. Okay, so kids, first of all, let us visualize this poem. Okay, and you all have to let me know in the comment section that what are the things that your parents don't allow you to do, and after that you will give me the reason also that why your parents don't allow you to do these certain things when you ask them again and again. Okay, so now let us visualize the poem.
Don't tell. There are lots of things they won't let me do. I am not big enough yet, they say. So I patiently wait till I am all grown up, and I will show them all one day. I could show them now if they gave me the chance. There are things I could do if I tried, but nobody knows, no, nobody knows that I am really a giant inside.
So kids, I hope you all have enjoyed. Now let us read. There are lots of things. Lots means a large number of things. There are a large number of things they won't let me do. They will not let me do. They will not allow me to do lots of things. Okay. Here the poet has used they for the parents and all other grown-up people. Okay. I am not big enough yet. Enough means as much needed. Okay. I am not big enough yet. Okay. They say. Who say? Their parents. Okay, the child's parents and all other grown-ups. Okay, they always say that he is very little, he is not old enough. Okay, he is not big enough to do the things. That's why they always refuse him to do the certain things which he used to ask to them. Okay, so I patiently wait. Patiently means not in a rush to do the things, or we can say calmly or quietly. Okay, so I patiently wait. So the child decides to wait calmly and quietly till I am all grown up. Grown up means an adult person. Okay, so the child is saying that I will wait calmly and quietly till I'll be the grown up, till I will be an adult person. Okay, and I will show them all one day, and definitely one day I will show them that I can also do the things, okay, which they refuse me to do every time. I could show them now if they gave me the chance. Okay, I could show them now if they gave me the chance. So children, the child is saying that I could do the things, but they never ever gave me the chance. Chance means opportunity. Okay, I have never got the opportunity to prove myself. Otherwise, I could do those things. There are things that I could do if I tried. Again, he is saying that I could do the things, but they means my parents and all other grown up people didn't give me chance. Okay, but nobody knows that I am really giant inside. Now what the child is saying, that nobody knows, कोई नहीं जानता, that I am a very big person. Giant means a very large, strong person. Okay, so he is saying that I am a very large and strong person. Okay, but nobody knows. Okay, that's why might be they say no. Okay, that's why they say no and don't allow me to do the thing. So it's a secret. Okay, so that's why he's saying don't tell anybody that I am really a giant from inside and nobody knows this. So I am sharing this secret with you all. Okay, and you are not supposed to tell anybody because it's a secret. Okay, so very interesting poem, isn't it? Yes. Dear kids, now I read and you all will repeat after me. There are lots of things they won't let me do. I am not big enough yet, they say. So I patiently wait, till I am all grown up. And I will show them all one day. I could show them now if they gave me the chance. There are things I could do if I tried. But nobody knows, nobody knows that I am really a giant inside. Very nice. Dear kids, now let us do the word meanings. Okay, and the words which we are writing, you have to learn also. Okay, we are not doing hard words and word meanings separately. Okay, so you have to learn the words as well. Okay, so we are going to do the word meanings. So first of all, you have to write the unit, UNIT, unit 9, Chapter's name, don't tell. On the top left corner, you have to write the date, okay? And you have to do your work on the exact day when you get your work, okay? Okay? Word meanings. The first word meaning is enough. E-N-O-U-G-H, enough. The meaning of enough is as much needed. As much needed. N-E-E-D, needed. Word meanings. The first word is enough. Its meaning is as much needed. Okay. So the next word is chance. Okay. C-H-A-N-C-E, chance. Okay. Its meaning is opportunity. Okay. Opportunity. O-P-P-O-R-T-U-N-I-T-Y. Opportunity. Next is giant. G-I-A-N-T. Giant means a very large, strong person. A very large, strong person. Giant means a very large, strong person. Patient. Now the meaning of patient is not in a rush. Not in a rush. R-U-S-H, rush to do things. Okay. Not in a rush to do things. Now the next is grown up. Fifth is grown up. G-R-O-W-N, grown up. Its meaning is an adult person. Okay, so we have 5 word meanings. You have to learn the words also. E-N-O-U-G-H. Please repeat after me. E-N-O-U-G-H. Enough. Its meaning is A-S-M-U-C-H. Much. C-H, chaw. Okay. C-H sounds chaw. C-H sounds chaw. Okay. C-H sounds chaw. Needed. N-E-E-D. Needed. Very good. Enough means as much needed. Now the next is chance. C-H chaw. C-H chaw. Okay. C-H-A-N-C-E. Chance. Its meaning is opportunity. O-P-P-O-R-T-U-N-I-T-Y. I repeat. Please repeat after me. O-P-P-O-R-T-U-N-I-T-Y. Opportunity. Now the next is giant. G-I-A-N-T. Giant. G-I-A-N-T. Giant. Its meaning is a very, V-E-R-Y, very, L-A-R-G-E, large, S-T-R-O-N-G, strong, S-T-R-O-N-G, strong Person. 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 A very large, strong person. Okay. Giant. Patient. Patient. Patient means not in a rush to do the things. Okay, not in a rush. RUSH. Rush to do things. 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 Very nice. Grown up. GROWN. Grown. UP. Up. Its meaning is an adult. 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 Person. 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 Very nice. Now let us revise again before doing the question answers. Enough, as much needed, chance, opportunity, giant, a very large, strong person, patient, not in a rush to do things. Next and the last is grown up, an adult person. Okay. So enough, as much needed, chance, opportunity, giant, a very large, strong person, patient, not in a rush to do things, grown up, an adult person. Dear kids, now let us do the question answers of this chapter. So kids, look at here, write down question answer. The first question is, how old is the speaker? I repeat, how old is the speaker? SPEAKER. Okay, so here the speaker. How old is the speaker? Yes, we don't have any age, so we can write the speaker is a little boy. The speaker is a little boy. I repeat, the speaker is a little boy. Or you can write the speaker is a young boy also. Okay. Now kids, tell me, who are they and them in the poem? I repeat, who, 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 ARER, they and them in the poem, POEM. Okay, and you have to put they and them in the inverted commas, single inverted commas. So kids, tell me.
Parents and other adults.
Very nice. So in the poem, they and them refers to the parents of the child and all other grown up people. Okay, so we can write this much only. In the poem, they and them refers to the parents of the child. This much is also sufficient. Okay, so in the poem, they and them refers to the parents of the child. I repeat, in the poem, they and them you will put in the single inverted commas. In the poem, comma, they and them refers to the parents of the child. Very nice. Now the next one. What is the secret the speaker is hiding? What is the secret? SECRET. Secret. The speaker, SPEAKER. Speaker is hiding. HIDING. Hide plus ing. Hiding. Okay. So you all know the speaker, what is the secret the speaker is hiding? The speaker, tell me, the speaker is hiding
a giant inside him.
very nice. The speaker is hiding that he is a giant from inside. Very nice. The speaker is hiding that he is a giant from inside. The speaker is hiding that he is a giant from inside. Okay. If you all have not written the question answers and word meanings, kindly go back and do the word meanings and question answers in your notebook properly without any error and in cursive writing only. Okay. It is mandatory to write in cursive. So kids, we have 2 questions also to discuss. Think of 3 things that they won't let you do. I have also asked you to think about the things that your parents and all other grown-up people won't let you do. Okay, so that you have to type on the comment section. Okay, what are the things you would like to do when you are grown up and then that you can't do now? Okay, same thing. Okay, so you have to let me know on the comment section that what are the things that you like to do, you wish to do, but as you are the little kids, okay, so you are not able to do them now. Okay, so you have to let me know. All right, very good. So kids, I hope you find this poem very interesting. Okay, you have to read this poem twice and thereafter you have to do word meanings and question answers in your notebook. Okay, as you are doing your work in your notebooks, you are also supposed to learn that. Okay, so thank you for listening to me patiently. We will meet in our next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Stay home, stay happy and eat healthy food.